السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا بكم في قناة Arab English Learning. How are you today? I hope you are all fine. Connect Plus Primary 3 Term 1 Students Book. This is Part 2 for Unit 1. Page 8 Values. Listen and read. What do words in bold mean? My rules for being a good friend. Number 1. Never make fun of your friends. It isn't kind to laugh at people. 2. Never tell your friends' secrets to other people. 3. Never spread rumors about your friends. 4. Never pressure your friend to do something he or she doesn't want to do. 5. Listen to your friend's ideas. 6. Support your friend. 7. If you make your friend sad, it's good to apologize. Saying sorry is important. 8. Have fun together. Now, exercise 2. Read again and complete the table using the words in the yellow box. So the good things we mentioned: to be a good friend, listen, support, have fun, and apologize. And bad things: spread rumors, make fun of, tell secrets, and pressure someone. Page 9, Reading and Writing, Exercise 3. Read the story. What rules from Exercise 1 can you find? One day, Tamer was sad when he came home from school. What's the matter? Asked his mom.
Sharif asked me why I didn't want to do the swimming competition. I told him that I'm scared of water, but it was a secret. He told Adam and Wael, and now everyone knows. They are making fun of me.
That wasn't very kind of Sharif, said Tamer's mom. The next day, Tamer was a lot happier. How was school today, Tamer? His mom asked.
It was better, said Tamer, smiling. Sharif apologized for telling my secret. Adam and Wael said sorry for making fun of me. We're all friends again.
So now what are the good rules we learned from the story?
Never tell your friend's secret. Never make fun of your friend. Apologize for making mistakes.
Now, can you make your own rules? Like, for example, be friendly, never tell lies, help others, never bully your friends, respect your friends, and you can write anything you want in your book. Now, page 10, listen, point, and say. Phonics of letter C. Sometimes we pronounce it S, and sometimes we pronounce it K. Here it's also sound. Race, race. Distance, distance. City, city. Citadel, citadel. Now read and say and underline the letter C with the S sound or S sound. So let's underline. Ice, space, bicycle. Ice, space, and bicycle. Now exercise 3. Write and say. We will write the missing letters here. We
raced
to the
city
on our
bicycles.
We saw the
citadel
and ate
ice cream.
Learn phonics with Busy Bee, page 11. Look and read. Circle the words with hard C, means K sound. Like number
carrot.
Number 1, carrot.
Camel.
Number 3, very good.
Cookie.
Cookie.
Camera.
Very good.
And plastic.
Very good. Now listen and sort and write. Then say. We have some words in the yellow box. And then check your answers now. You have to do it first, then write them down. Yes, C sounds like K, like cake, camel, coffee, cold, fact, and music. C sounds like S, citadel, city, face, ice, pencil, rice. Page 12, it's mass connecting, units of measurement. What do we measure with? Read and write T if you are talking about time, or D if you are talking about distance. The first one is done by the book. Seconds is time, so we write T. Centimeters,
D.
and hours,
T.
and meters,
D.
and kilometers,
D.
and minutes.
T.
Very good. Now put the units of measurement in order from small to large, from the smaller one to the largest one. The time we start with
Seconds.
then,
Minutes. Hours.
and distance. What is the smallest?
Centimeters, meters, and kilometers.
Exercise 3. Look at the line graph and answer the questions. Aya started training for a running competition in January. It's July now. Look at the graph of her fastest times each month. So Aya's fastest 200-meter times in January, 45 seconds. In March, 43 seconds. In February, 41 seconds. In April, 36 seconds. In May, 35 seconds. And June, 33 seconds. And this is the graph showing how she's going through her training. So question number 1, according to the graph and what we've just read, does the graph measure time or distance?
Time.
What was Aya's fastest time in January?
45 seconds.
And what was her fastest time in June?
33 seconds.
Is Aya getting faster or slower?
She's getting faster.
What happens to the line on the graph?
The line gets lower as she gets faster.
Exercise 4. Read and make a line graph. Rami is training for a long jump competition. Look at his distance and make a line graph. Now you are going to draw the line graph according to this table. We have the weeks here and the distance. Week 1, he make 350 centimeter in his jump, okay, in his long jump. Week 2, 355 centimeters. Week 3, 361 centimeters. Week 4, 365 centimeters. And week 5, 363 centimeters. So when you draw the graph, it will be like that. He goes up, then down. So now you think, does the graph measure time or distance?
Distance.
And what happens to the line on the graph?
It goes up and goes down.
The competition is in week 6. Do you think Rami will jump far?
Yes.
Social Studies Word Records, Unit 1, page 13. Listen and read. World records. What is a world record? It's something which is the fastest, biggest, oldest, or smallest in the world. People in many different countries like trying to make new world records all the time. Here are some famous Egyptian world records. Did you know in 2017-2018 the Egyptian footballer Mohamed Salah set a world record when he played for the English team Liverpool? He scored the highest number of goals in one season, 32 goals. Egypt's national football team has a world record too. It is for winning the Africa Cup of Nations the most times. It won 7 times, in 1957, 1959, 1986, 1998, 2006, 2008, and 2010. And in 2018, cyclists in Egypt made a new world record. They made the largest GPS drawing by bicycle. The challenge was to cycle 761 kilometers around Egypt. and record the direction of the race. The cyclists started at the Great Pyramids of Giza, and it took 3 days to finish. The picture of their journey made the shape of a heart on the map. It was important because it made people think about how important it is to keep your heart healthy. It isn't just Egyptian people who break world records. The Egyptian moo is the fastest cat in the world. It can run up to 48 kilometers an hour. Now, exercise 2, you have to read again and correct the words in bold. They are not correct. Number 1, Muhammad Salah scored 11 goals in 2017. 2018, no, they are 32 goals. Number 2, Egypt's national football team won the Africa Medal of Nations. No, it's cup, not a medal. Number 3, the cyclists made the shape of a pyramid on the map. No, it's the shape of a heart, as you can see on the map. And number 4, the Egyptian moo is the biggest cat in the world. No, it's not the biggest, it's the fastest. Thank you very much for listening, and don't forget to check the activity book and the flashcards for the unit. See you soon. Bye.